Hello everyone! Today we are going on an incredible scientific adventure. Do you know how water travels around our planet?
Hello everyone! Today we are going on an incredible scientific adventure. Do you know how water travels around our planet?
It's like a magical journey, and we're going to show you all of it.
The sun heats the water in oceans and rivers, turning the water into steam. Look!
As sunlight warms the ocean's surface, its rays penetrate the water, initiating the process of evaporation. Gentle ripples form, disturbed by steam bubbles that rise, signaling the transition of liquid to vapor. This transformation increases as the heat intensifies. The rising steam cools, coalescing into misty clouds that drift upwards, illustrating the continuous cycle of water transitioning from liquid to gaseous state essential for Earth's atmospheric balance.
Wow! It's like water becomes invisible.
The steam cools down and the clouds form. Look at those little clouds. It's like the water is having a party up there.
And the rain will fall. It's as if the water has decided to come back down to nourish the earth. It knows it's essential.
Precipitation is the moment when the water that has condensed in the clouds falls back to earth in the form of rain, snow, hail, or drizzle. This phenomenon occurs when the clouds become too heavy and can no longer hold all the water they have accumulated.
Snow, when temperatures are very low, water crystallizes into snowflakes. Hail, as pieces form in the clouds and fall rapidly. Drizzle, fine droplets that fall slowly and moisten the air. After precipitation, a portion of the water seeps into the soil. This is infiltration. This process is crucial for replenishing groundwater aquifers and allowing plants to absorb the water they need.
Vegetation, plants absorb some of the water and prevent soil erosion. Land slope, on flat land, water is more likely to infiltrate than on a mountain where it quickly runs off. Without it, no flowers, no trees, nothing at all. Water is our hero. Tell us what you learned and stay tuned for more video.
Soil composition significantly influences water retention and drainage. Sandy soils, characterized by larger particles, facilitate rapid water passage, minimizing retention and enhancing drainage. In contrast, clayey soils with their finer particles exhibit high water retention, often leading to slower drainage. Understanding these properties is crucial for effective land management and agricultural practices, ensuring optimal growth conditions for various crops. Dependent on water availability,
The gradient of the terrain plays a critical role in water infiltration. On flat surfaces, water is more likely to permeate the soil, allowing for better groundwater replenishment. Conversely, in mountainous regions, the steep inclines facilitate rapid runoff, limiting the opportunity for water absorption. This differential in terrain impact underscores the importance of landform in managing hydrological processes and sustaining environmental health. The gradient of terrain significantly influences water infiltration. On flat land, the likelihood of water absorbing into the soil increases, allowing for effective moisture retention and promoting vegetation growth. In contrast, mountainous regions experience rapid runoff. Gravity and steeping plains prevent water from percolating into the ground, leading to erosion and reduced soil fertility. Understanding this dynamic is essential for effective land management and conservation practices.
Vegetation plays a crucial role in enhancing groundwater infiltration. The intricate root systems of plants create channels in the soil, allowing rainwater to penetrate more effectively. Additionally, the leaf litter and organic matter improve soil structure, facilitating water retention and reducing surface runoff. This natural process not only nourishes ecosystems but also contributes to groundwater recharge, promoting hydrological sustainability and resilience in the environment. And there you have it. The water cycle is endless and full of life. So, what do you think of this daily magic?
Without it, no flowers, no trees, nothing at all. Water is our hero.